behind, today's video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to spot which market data on TradingView is real-time, which is delayed, and how you can upgrade to get live data if you need it, so you'll never be caught off guard by out-of-date prices again. Let's get straight into it. So first, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and look over to the right-hand side of your screen. That's where your watch list is, basically, your command center for following all the symbols and markets you care about most. Now take a moment to scan through the list of tickers. Focus on the little icons that appear next to each symbol. Some of these might have nothing next to them, just a clean symbol name. Hover your mouse pointer over one of these symbols, the ones without any extra icons or letters on the side. What you're looking for is pretty important. As soon as you hover, TradingView will usually show a small pop-up that says real-time somewhere, either in the tooltip or right above the symbol. This means the data for that market is live. Prices are streaming in as soon as they're updated from the exchange. This is exactly the kind of data you want if you're making quick trading decisions. For example, with most cryptocurrencies, you'll notice you get this real-time feed for free. That's one of TradingView's big perks. But now let's dig into why sometimes your charts are on a bit of a delay. Keep scanning through your watch list, but this time find a symbol that has a letter D to the right of it. D stands for delayed, and this is where it's really important to slow down and understand what's happening. Go ahead and actually click on one of these symbols with the D. When you do, you'll notice right at the top of the chart, it'll say something like delayed by 10 minutes or delayed by 15 minutes. This isn't an accident. A lot of stocks and futures, especially from major exchanges like NASDAQ or the NYSE, only show free delayed prices on TradingView. That delay can feel small, but 10 or 15 minutes is a lifetime if you're trying to catch a fast-moving trade or need to make decisions quickly. Wondering how to unlock those real-time prices? It's simple, but it does involve an upgrade. Right where you see the delayed label, there will be a little link that says Learn More. Click on that. Now, TradingView will open a page explaining that for certain exchanges, real-time data is a paid feature. You'll see the exact cost per exchange. For example, getting live NYSE data might cost a few dollars extra each month. If you're serious about tracking those markets to the minute, it can be well worth it, and activating it is as easy as following the prompts and completing your purchase. The main takeaway here is, understand which markets are giving you live real-time information and which ones have a delay, because that knowledge alone can help you avoid costly mistakes or confusion. Don't worry if all this feels like a lot at first. TradingView actually makes it pretty transparent once you know where to look, and upgrading for real-time access is something even beginner traders do once they decide it fits their needs. Alright, I hope this quick walkthrough helped you feel more confident navigating TradingView's market data options. If you found this useful, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a TradingView feature you want me to cover next.